Let's make a website for free. Free to create, free to publish, free to host, and free to keep online as long as you want. No credit card, no code, no catch. Wix is sponsoring this video, and it's one of the few website builders where this is actually true. Most give you a free trial for a week or two, and you have to enter your payment information upfront. We'll create an account, have AI build the first draft, customize it, publish it, and then I'll show you when free is enough and when it makes sense to upgrade. Free means you can create the website, publish it, and keep it online without paying. Squarespace and Shopify don't offer that. They give you a trial. Wix gives you a website. You're not getting a stripped down version of the website builder. You get Wix Harmony, Wix's AI website builder, and editor, which generates a full design from a few questions about your goals. Describe your business, and it builds the structure, the pages, the sections, the design, and writes the text. Inside the editor, you get Aria, Wix's AI agent. Ask her to change something, and she changes it. You also get the drag and drop editor Wix has been known for years, where you can adjust the site down to the pixel. Hosting, security, and an SSL certificate are included. So if you're wondering how to host a website for free, that's part of it. You build a site, hit publish, and Wix hosts it. You get every template. There's no premium templates. You get built-in analytics, Wix's SEO tools, CMS, mobile optimization, and access to the Wix app market. You also get up to 4 forums. That matters more than it sounds. 4 forums means 4 lead magnets, and you can see which one each signup came from. You can start building an email list before you spend any money. According to Wix's own article, you can build up to 999 free sites. So if you're someone with too many ideas, apparently you can get all of them online for free, and then later on decide which ones you want to pursue further. Here's what free doesn't include. You can't connect your own domain. Your site lives on a free Wix URL, something like yourname.wixsite.com/yoursite. Your pages show a Wix banner ad. You get 500 megabytes of storage and a gigabyte of bandwidth a month, and you can't accept payments. For testing an idea, building a personal site, putting up a student portfolio, or getting something online without paying up front, that's plenty. Go to Wix.com or click the link in the description. Create an account is free. Sign up with Google, Facebook, or email. Wix asks you what kind of site you're building. I'm making a personal brand site with a blog. Then it asks what the site is about, what you want to call it, and what your goals are. Promote my personal brand, grow an email list, write blog posts. Based on that, Wix recommends built-in apps. Forms, blog, bookings, services, add what fits. Just know that if you want to take paid bookings or sell a service online, you'll need to upgrade. Click Design Site. From here, you can pick one of the templates that Wix recommends or browse all of them. That's one option. The other option is to let AI build it for you. This is the part where you want to give Wix as much information as you can. It may fill in a short summary based on what you've already told it. I'd write a lot more. What is the site for? Who's it for? What pages do you want? What colors and fonts would you like to use? What should people be able to do on your site? You can write all of that yourself or use our free website blueprint prompt. It walks you through the goal of the site, the pages, the photos, the colors, the fonts, logo, and what goes on each and every page. Then you hand all that to Wix. Get it for free in the description. You could just type "make me a blog" and Wix will do that. But the more context you give it, the closer the first draft lands. Wix builds the structure, then the pages, then the sections, then the text inside of each of the sections. A minute or two later, we've got a solid first draft. Not a blank page, not a template, a real starting point with the sections we asked for and the text that's already close to what we want. Now we customize it. Everything from here comes down to 3 things. Edit what's there, remove what you don't want, add what's missing. You can do it yourself or ask Aria. If you've ever used PowerPoint or Canva, you can handle the basics. Click the text and change it. Resize an image, move a section, delete something. Start with the images. Wix doesn't have photos of you, your work, your products, or your restaurant. Swap those out first. For a personal site, use real photos of you. For a restaurant, real food. For a portfolio, your actual work. Stock and AI images work as placeholders, but real photos build trust. Then read all the text. Harmony writes a good first draft, but go through the homepage, about page, contact page, and make sure that it sounds like you. If you want to add a new page, a portfolio page, a service page, a blog, ask Aria to create it for you, or click the Pages panel on the left-hand side. Add a page, name it, and Aria builds the structure. Then customize it the same way you did the homepage. For fonts and colors, click the brand settings at the top of the editor. You'll see your color palette. You can adjust individual shades or swap the palette entirely. Same with fonts. There's a headline font and a paragraph font, and you can change them individually or switch the whole font set. Click through a few and watch the site update. If design isn't your thing, don't worry, ask Aria. Use darker colors, add more contrast, use serif fonts for the titles. Those are the ones with the little feet. Use a more muted palette, make the fonts bolder. Or if you use the blueprint prompt, you already have your colors and fonts. Give them to Aria and ask her to apply them. For bigger changes or something you want to add, I just ask Aria. Say I want a section with 3 columns, one for each of my YouTube channels, each with an embedded video, the channel name, and a description. I could build it myself. It's faster to ask. That's the whole thing. You make the easy edits yourself, and you ask Aria to do the rest. All of that on the free plan. Before you publish, 3 checks. First, mobile. Wix sites are mobile optimized, but when you're adjusting things down to the pixel on desktop, they don't always land right on a phone. Over half of your visitors are coming from mobile. Open the preview and check every page. The text is readable, buttons are easy to tap, and nothing is out of place. Second, test the actions. Submit the contact form, check the buttons, try the email sign up. If someone's supposed to do something on your site, do it yourself first. Third, run through Wix's SEO checklist. Add an SEO title and meta description to each page. That'll help Google understand what the page is about. Wix can generate both of those with AI. A few steps need a premium plan, like connecting Google Search Console, but you can do the page level work now. Then hit publish. Your free website is live on the internet, and you haven't paid anything. So when does free stop being enough? First, credibility. The Wix URL and the Wix ad banner both tell the visitors the same thing. This is a free website. For a portfolio, a hobby project, a neighborhood event page, that's fine. For a business, it doesn't look like you run a serious company, and the ad puts attention on the website builder instead of on what you do. With the Lite plan, you pay $17 a month, paid annually. You connect your own domain, the Wix ads come off, and you get 2 gigabytes of storage. Pay annually, and the first year of a domain is included. Second, payments. On free and on Lite, you can't accept payments through the site. No checkout, no paid bookings, no store. That's core, $29 a month, paid annually. Products, services, courses, digital downloads, paid bookings. Third, storage and bandwidth. 500 megabytes and a gigabyte a month is fine for a simple website. Publish a few hundred blog posts with photos, build out galleries, or start getting real traffic, you'll pass the limit. Fourth, the business tools. Google Analytics and Search Console, so you know whether your traffic is coming from search, Instagram, YouTube, ads, or AI. More forms, automations, AI credits, marketing features, sales tax, and shipping if you're selling. And if you do upgrade, nothing restarts. Everything you built comes with you. And Wix credits what you've already paid toward a higher plan. That's the real argument for starting free here. Not that it's free forever. Every free website builder will do that. It's that you can build the whole thing, take your time, then grow into a restaurant, a hotel, a coaching business, a store, or a course without ever rebuilding. Start free, upgrade the day the site needs to do something free can't. We built it with AI, customized it with drag and drop and Aria, checked mobile, ran the SEO basics, and published it. If you're ready to build yours, get started with Wix by going to wix.com or using the link in the description. And if you're not sure what to put on your site, watch this video right here. I walk you through the website blueprint prompt. You'll see exactly how to plan your pages, text, colors, and fonts before you build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.